What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to decrease the size of your taskbar. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get started. So first, go to your personalization settings and go to taskbar. And now here you can remove apps or icons on your taskbar to lessen the apps on your taskbar. Also, you can go to system, go to display, and you can also set your scale and make it smaller. So me, I now have a smaller scale in 100. So if you want to make it slower, just make it slower than 100 and click OK. But first, you need to sign out to your account, Microsoft account, in order to update these settings. So last thing that you can do is to go to registry editor. After going to registry editor, just click this current user right here and go to softwares, and under softwares go to Microsoft, and under Microsoft just go to Windows, and under Windows you just go to current version, and under current version just go Explorer, and under Explorer you can click advanced, and now right click advanced and click new and click this D word 32-bit value and make your 32-bit value name Taskbar SI. And after you name that, just left click that and change the value from 0 to 2. Then click OK. So me, I don't need to do it because my taskbar is low. So you just need to click OK and restart your computer. And that's it. That's all you can do. Also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.